नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ जेबी डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी. Today's topic is about the actinides. So the actinides are 5F block elements. There are 14 elements present in actinides from the thorium having a 90 electron number and the lawrencium having a 103 electronic number. So these elements also known as actinides, actinoids and the actinones. Okay, so these are named like this because of the elements are successively present in actinium from the 89 electronic number. So these elements are known as the inner transition element as they lie between the actinium and the Rutherfordium. So these elements have similar characteristics from the other elements like 4D elements. So in these elements, 5F subshell of the antipentanetium shell, which is n is equals to 7, is successively filled by the addition or the diffraction electrons one at the time and each step, which are embedded in the inner shell, which is 6D and 7S electrons are exposed to the surroundings. So in the outermost and innermost the shell of these elements, the number of electrons remains almost the same. This is why the actinide elements resemble one another very closely. And the actinides lies between the uranium and the element with the having a 93 to 103 are called as a trans uranium elements. So the first and the last element of the 5S series have been mentioned above. Their name and they are from thorium to so first is you can see from the 91 to 102 of the lanthanides here series, and they have a general occurrence like they can occur in a nature by uranium material that are to the thorium and uranium occur at any useful extraction. All the remaining actinides are trans uranium elements are unstable and made up artificially, so they are the artificial elements. So the electronic configuration or electronic structure of this kind of compound is like actinides 5F06S1 7S2. Okay, so this is the general orbitals which are used in actinides electronic configurations. So these are the elements which is present in actinide series from 90 to 103 electronic number: thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium. Okay, these are the 14 compound which is present in actinide. So the oxidation state exhibited by the actinide are below because they have unstable characteristics. So the oxidation states are also unstable. Their oxidation state is +2 shown by the two element which is TH and AM only, and few other compounds like TH they form the few compounds like THBr2, THI2 and TH. Yes, the +3 oxidation state is exhibited by the element and it become more and more stable as the ionic number of increases. The +4 oxidation state is shown by the element like TH and TH2BK, the +5 oxidation state by TH2AM, and the +6 oxidation state by element of the uranium to AM, and the +7 oxidation state exhibited only for two elements NP and Pu, and the NP is the 7 plus state act as an oxidizing agent. Here you can see in this table the highest oxidation and lowest oxidation state for the actinides. The atomic radii of the actinides metal from plus 3 to plus 4 cations. Some of the actinides element have the it can be introduced that the ionic radii value. You can see the ionic radii value for the actinides elements different from the oxidation state. For the plus 3 oxidation state and plus 4 oxidation state, the plus 3 oxidation state have the more value for the atomic radii. The magnetic and spectral properties of actinides is that the thorium and the uranium ions are the diamagnetic due to the absence of the unpaired electron. So thorium plus 4 is equals to uranium plus 6 and Rn which has 86. So these are the diamagnetic in a nature, and they show the strong absorption at between the 2000 to 4000 centimeter inverse, and the actinides are also show the crystal field splitting, and which can be calculated by the magnitude, and the J is also known for the good quantum number. For 5F and 6D subshells are sufficiently close in energy for the lighter actinide to make the 6D level of the magnetic moment. From the magnetic moment, you can calculate from this formula the magnetic moment for the okay. So like a DD transition, the actinides have FF transition, and this kind of transition is Laporte forbidden, but the selection rule is relaxed partially by the action of the crystal field splitting. And also they can show the 5F SD transition, and this transition are also Laporte and spin allowed transition to give the rise to the much more intense band and a broad band. Another is metal to ligand charge transfer. These transition are also fully allowed in, and they produce the broad intense absorption usually found in a UV region, somewhere the visible region also. So this is all about the actinides. Thank you very much.